Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster here. Today we're going to install the Sprint Booster in the Cadillac Escalade. Before you install the Sprint Booster unit into your vehicle, take your keys at least 25 feet away and open the door for no less than 10 minutes. What this is going to allow is the CAN bus, or the computer system in your vehicle, to reset. So this is the gray main retention clip. You release that so that you can press the black retention clip here. Press down, pull out, and it comes right out. As always, installing the controller itself is quite easy. Simply inserting the plug into the back of the Sprint Booster unit until it clicks. Now you can do this before or after the install. So you take one end of the Sprint Booster unit itself, press it onto the pedal until it clicks. You can feel and hear this to install the actual Sprint Booster into the main harness of the vehicle. You do the same, but you must pull back the retention clip before pressing it on. You'll feel a click. Then be sure to press the retention clip in so that it retains the unit itself. We've installed the unit and selected Sport Mode Level 5. We can actually remove the controller because the Sprint Booster will retain your selections even if the controller is removed from the car. So guys, we're just about to start the test for Sport Level 5 using the Sprint Booster on this Cadillac Escalade. The car is a Cadillac Escalade, so it's a big car. It's a bit slow, but let's see. Wow, actually, it feels somehow light. This actually makes a Cadillac Escalade feel light, which is pretty impressive. It doesn't feel like I kind of have to wait for the car to do what I tell it to do. It just goes along, and yeah, I'm really happy with this setting. It's really nice that the Sprint Booster lets me actually go through different levels between race and sport, because I actually have a Cadillac myself and I don't want to drive it like one of my sports cars, right? So it's nice to actually have it, you know, not be a race car, just something that I can drive around at a more relaxed pace, but feel like I have better control over the car. I don't kind of have to wait for it to get going, especially in these Canadian winters. I don't know, maybe I'm spinning tires, I don't know what's going on back there. So this connects me a lot better to the car, and yeah, this definitely is a much more pleasant driving experience. So guys, comment below, let us know what level Sprint Booster you like to run your car on. If you want to see a different car in any of our videos, like I said, comment below, let us know. If you have any suggestions, comments, drop us a subscription, send us a message. You can reach us at sprintboosterusa.com.